Let's change your primary login email ID on Facebook. So you can apply the same method for all your Meta accounts too. Here I will open my Facebook application. Then tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right corner. Then you have to open settings. Here either you can just tap on the setting icon in the top right corner, or you can tap settings and privacy. Then you can select settings like this. Then you will get this Meta account option. If you don't have it, you can up-to-date your Facebook application. After you have to open Meta account, then you can go to Account Center. Here just tap on your email ID at the top like this. Then you can see your current default contact information or login method. Here, if you have multiple email IDs, you can select that. If you didn't have any other email ID, you can add by tapping Add or Edit Contact Info. If you want to learn more how to add phone number or email address, you can find that video in the description, or you can click this end screen video. So if you have additional email or phone number, you can select that. Then it will be your new primary login email or phone number. So this is how to change your primary login email ID on Facebook and other Meta accounts. If you want more updates, you can click this end screen videos and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.